Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use comments in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I want to create the one comment here. You can go review tab and click on the new comment. Okay, you can see here when you click on new comment, create here the comment. You can use the shortcut way, just enter the shift plus F2, create the new comment. Shift plus F2, create the new comment. If you want to edit it, you can easily edit it. Okay, if you want to delete it, you can see here the cursor is blinks here. Just click the escape button of the keyboard, then delete. That's it, comment will be deleted. Okay, and if you want to see the all comments, you just go on review tab and click on the show all comments. Click again, it's automatically hide. Click again, you can show all comments. Okay, that's it. Thank you.